The Faroe Islands are expensive. Being a part of the Nordic countries, this comes as no surprise. From the cost of food and groceries to car hire and basic services. But what a lot of people wouldn't expect is the high cost of hiking in the Faroe Islands due to most hikes being on privately owned land. Some are worth it, but it's not worth breaking the bank doing something that should be free. So in this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 free hikes that don't compromise on quality and beauty. Before we get into the list, I just wanted to also mention some key tips when it comes to hiking here. First up, let's talk about the weather. The Faroe Islands are famous for their unpredictable weather. You can experience all 4 seasons in a single day, so pack layers. A good waterproof jacket is essential, and don't forget waterproof hiking boots, as the paths are extremely muddy and slippery at most times of the year. The wind here can also be very strong and very unpredictable. Keep a safe distance from the edges no matter how good the photo opportunity might look. Secondly, navigation is key. Trails in the Faroes aren't always well marked. Download offline maps on your phone using the All Trails app, and always let someone know where you're going, especially if you're tackling a remote hike solo. Next, respect the locals and their land. Many trails cross private property, and you might even find yourself walking through fields of sheep. Always stay on the marked paths and close any gates you open. Finally, take your time to soak it all in. The Faroe Islands are a place of raw, untamed beauty. Pause, enjoy the views, and leave no trace. First up, Eiðiskollur, one of the most underrated hikes in the Faroe Islands. Located on the island of Eyðiskollur, this 5.3 kilometer, 2.5 hour, moderately difficult hike traverses some very muddy and boggy terrain, as well as a steep climb, but provides you with constant coastal views until you reach the steep cliff edges high in the sky. Ásmundarstakkur. If you reach the southernmost island of Suðuroy, you will find a 6 kilometer, 1.5 hour return easy hike that is free of charge, taking you from a farmhouse parking lot, across some gorgeous coastlines, towards the most precarious wooden bridge ever. Just be careful of wet or windy conditions. There is also the option to make this hike longer if you wish to plan a loop around, but I just walked back the same way. Fossá. Along your drive around the Faroes, it's really hard to miss this roadside stop, but it is easy to miss the hidden hike here. From the parking lot, you can enjoy the views from the bottom. However, this 1.4 kilometer, 40-minute return hike to the right, it'll make your way up to the second tier of one of the biggest waterfalls in the Faroes that you can't miss. Mýlingur. The most difficult hike in the Faroe Islands. A brutal 11 kilometer, 6 hour return hike that is thankfully free of charge. This hike starts in the town of Sjónarvík, and it's best to start early as this hike is a rough one. Using an All Trails app is critical for this hike as the path is very obscure if there is no one else around. It involves a steep start and flattens out more as you reach the end. However, you will then be faced with going down a very steep cliff face to be up close to the Mýlingur view, or appreciating it from far away. However, it is well worth it. Trust me on this. Hvithamar. Located in the island of Eyðiskollur, this hike was one of the best value for the time that it took. An easy 1.5 kilometer, 1 hour return hike across a short and slightly steep muddy path that is free of charge and rewards you with one of the best 360-degree views that the Faroe Islands have to offer. Especially with the right lighting, it can truly be magical. So, these are my top 5 free hikes in the Faroe Islands. It can definitely be an expensive country to visit, but it's definitely possible to enjoy its incredible natural beauty and virtually untouched and isolated atmosphere without spending a fortune on it. So, have I convinced you yet? If you would like a more detailed 8-day travel and hiking guide of the Faroe Islands with travel tips including where I slept, what to bring, as well as a complimentary pinned Google Maps and even a Notion travel guide template, link is in the description down below. Also, feel free to check out my official travel video as well. And if you like what you see, check out my website, socials, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, see ya.